right, so this here is a grab rail. There's actually recessed step pockets in this pool for somebody to get in and out of the stair. So while this isn't an ADA access point, we like to put these about every 75 feet on a pool perimeter, depending on the code, for able-bodied individuals to be able to get in and get out of the pool at each corner of the pool. Okay, so this pool has over 300 lineal feet of perimeter. So we actually need two means of access, a primary means and a secondary means. So this pool has a ramp entry, which can also act as a primary means of access, but is also acting as their secondary means of access. So a ramp entry needs rails on both sides and a 1 to 12 slope with a ramp and a landing area down into the pool so that somebody can easily grab onto both the rails and walk into the pool themselves. Another means of secondary access would be a stair entry like this. So for a stair entry, we want the rail spaced a minimum 18 inches so that somebody, again, can walk in and be able to touch both rails in between and easily get themselves into the pool.
Hey there! I hope you enjoyed today's video. Tune in next Wednesday for the continuation of our series, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!